guys, back with another video, and I'm gonna hurry up and we have a blue parakeet, which I don't know where they're right here. So I'm going to be showing you. This gate slides up to put his food in. This gate slides to put water, and then this one to open the whole entire cave. She's in there right there. I ain't gonna let her fly out. But I'm gonna put you guys in there so you can see it. I'm gonna try him. Try. There he is in my next video. How many likes will we go for? 50,000. So we're going to be doing 50,000 likes, and we will take him out, put him on this bed, and we did this blue pit on his channel, which is Jason Phelps. My channel is JD Phelps. Yep, okay. I'll see you in the next video, and like and subscribe. And turn on bell notifications. And peace out.